Dawaj, stój focia w lusterku. Ale fajnie to. Wow.
Stress out, waking up, it's time to get it. Ain't no room for the haters, ain't got time for jealousy. I'm too focused on the music in my damn rap. Had never rain on my brain, never get an umbrella. Fuck all it, damn, I'm famous. Never really been the one to listen. Ain't no one else in the ones on my vision. Still I want the distance and stay driven. Gotta go for it, do or die, can't slow down. I feel so alive. I'ma chase my dreams, fucking super time. If you walked in my shoes, you would lose your mind. Got the blood of a champion in my veins. I ain't following nobody, I'm in my own lane. Live a day in my life, come and feel my pain. I'm balling out like LeBron and Dwayne in overtime. All my life, turn it up in the overdrive. Gotta live your life with an open mind. Blood, sweat, tears, got me so alive. Pull up with a bad one, in a faster. Turn side with an ass, got a flat one. Used to never get money, I hope back then. Now I get broke, but never get a chance to. When you focus on the money, tell them listen to it. The rest is struggle, then you gotta get through it. Never give up, boy, you gotta keep moving. Don't worry about me and what I'm doing. If anyone listening got a dream, better go for it. If you think about giving up, better hold on. I've been on my grind, hustling for so long. Pull up, good vibes, so I roll one. Hoping and praying for sunshine. A plan that don't work out, there's a cruising. Looking at rappers, it's lunchtime. Sick of the drugs and the groupies. Hustling, homeboy, it's crunch time. Praying to God he don't lose me. Shout to my family one time. Putting my thoughts on the loose sleeve. On the Bruce Lee and this rap shit. Sometimes this life will get lonely. It comes, I gon' make sure that you bring a check in. Putting my heart and my soul in this music. I can't wait too far to turn back, bitch. People all told me that I wouldn't make it. Now they don't want to say keep asking. Used to keep money that I made from hustling right there up under my mattress. Now I ain't tripping, don't worry about slipping. I got an account for that shit. Stood on my own to be nothing was getting to me. Every day I would practice. Struggling every day, trying to find myself in this world that's full of madness. Stressed out, working hard, going through some shit for my trust in God. Everybody telling me that I should stop, but my middle finger's up screaming fuck them all. Every single day in my life I'm putting up a fight, trying to figure my right from wrong. Hella shit on my mind, no time for the bullshit, boy, I gotta work hard.